and welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I have a little bit of makeup going on, but if you want to see why and how and what did I do, just be sure to check my last video and you will know what was going on. Some new products that I brought from Sephora, and now I would like to hop on and do some colorful makeup tutorial, some kind of blue and pink and something new that I haven't done on this channel. So if you would like to watch and see what will I do for today's look, please keep on watching. Okay, so for the face, I actually went in with the Dior Backstage foundation. This is my new favorite concealer, my NARS concealer, and in with the Helllllo Benefit browser. I kind of like did a small contouring, not too much, just a little. And this is the new Rihanna highlighter, which is bomb, and I think that's the actual name. New Benefit brows, love them so much. If you want to see what actually I'm wearing on my face, you can click on my last video and see what I did there. But for now, we will do something new. I'm gonna do something more colorful, something more fun in the face, because I haven't, I don't usually do this on my channel, which I don't know why. But today we'll be playing with a lot of colorful makeup. So let's get started. First, I feel like I'm a ghost right now, so I'm just gonna warm my face up with a little bit of Helllllo bronzer, just to warm the face and warm the perimeter of the face. Okay, eyes now. So for eyes, I'm not gonna use a specific palette. I'm gonna use whatever I have and what color I want from whichever palette. Now in front of me, of course, I have the Jeffree Star Beauty Killer palette. I'm gonna use that because I want to go in with these two shades right here. Okay, I want to go, so this will be our eyelid color. This will go under the lash line, but I want to create a look with this, so I'm gonna use this shade mainly. I'm gonna use actually my finger now to dab on some more, just to make it more. You can use your finger, you can use whatever you want, that's fine. Okay, first shade I'm gonna dip in, which I'm gonna take a and yes, our baby's back, my favorite blending brush by Morphe. This is the M433. I'm gonna dip in the first shade, which is Star Power. We want to bring all the shade right to the inner corner of the eyes and just blend it. Take your time, because it does make a difference if you blend a lot. We don't want it to be like, kind of a patchy color. Okay, for the lid shade, I'm gonna go in with the Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm gonna go in with the shade Love Letter. This is kind of a dark pinkish color. I'm gonna use a flat brush. Gonna go in with the shade Love Letter again. So I dabbed on a little bit of the shade Venetian Red, I don't know. Just to define it more, define the lids more. This is an easy, fun look. So when I was younger, I used to love these colors, but like when I grew up, I think I was kind of like shy to wear this, pop colors on my face. But now I've seen a lot of beautiful artists creating the most beautiful looks with these shades, and I'm like, it's only makeup, why would you be shy? A blending brush, gonna tap on the shade Star Power again and blend everything in together. Can we feel the shades? You see, this is a bit darker than this shade. We want it to be like that. We don't want it to be straight flat pink. Just a little bit on the center of the lid. It has a sheen to it, like not too shimmery, but it's like, can you see that? Yeah, we want that. Okay, now for the fun part, for the lower lash line. I'm gonna go with this brush right here. It's a flat brush, and I'm gonna dab the color right on the lower lash line. We're gonna go straight to Confession. This color right here. Okay, so I'm pressing the shade right on your lower lash line just to make it grip, okay? And then I'm gonna go again with the same shade and blend it more. Now with a pencil brush, I'm gonna go again with the same shade, and I'm gonna dip on the shade, right, just like dipping, so it can catch on from the tip, so it can be easier to blend, okay? And I'm gonna go again with the shade Expensive just to buff things out more. When we were young, me and my sister-in-laws, we used to have a compact foundation they used to wet the sponge with, and you know, just dab it on. I think it was like the foundation of the year. Blend in with the blending brush. I'm gonna go in to highlight the inner corners of the eye. I'm gonna go with the shade Princess here. This palette is my daughter just went in. Black shade, and I'm gonna pop that right on the upper lash line. Pop on some mascara, lashes, and I'll be right back. And that is it for the eyes. I used my favorite mascara. I don't think I can ever replace this. This is the Lancome Hypnose mascara. It is my favorite. It will always be my favorite, and I won't ever let go of it. Popped on some lashes. I was not a fan of lashes, to be honest, but now it makes huge sense. Okay, so for lips, I'm going to use the Rihanna. So this is in the shade Diamond Milk. This is the new Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. I love the original one, the Gloss Bomb. Ooh, look at that. That is so pretty. Look at that. It's not catching. I don't know what is wrong with this camera. I'm just gonna apply this. So this is actually sheer. It's just like, yeah, it's just a gloss, I think, with glitter. But ooh, look at, now that is a doe foot applicator. Love it, love it, love it. Same texture, same smell as the original one, but this is just like a just a gloss I just need blush. So like my favorite blush set palette is the Elf, and I'm gonna go with the second shade right here. And this is the final look. Thank you guys for watching. If you have made it this far to the video, I hope you enjoyed this video. It's a quick, kind of a fun, pop looky makeup tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and please, I would love to hear your thoughts on this look. And if you have a new thing in your mind, if you want me to try a new thing, let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.